Have you ever considered the environmental impact of your daily meals? Are you curious about how you can make a meaningful difference for our planet through the foods you eat? In this video, we'll explore the powerful link between environmental sustainability and the diet that best supports the health of our planet. Hi, I'm holistic nutritionist Plant-Based Tracey, and I've personally witnessed how our food choices can do wonders, not only for our bodies, but also for the health of our beloved planet. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room, animal agriculture. While you may enjoy your favorite animal-based dishes, it's crucial to be aware of the environmental consequences. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, water pollution, and habitat destruction. The sheer amount of land, water, and feed required for livestock farming puts immense pressure on our natural resources. Moreover, the methane produced by livestock is a potent greenhouse gas that exacerbates climate change. The solution lies in adopting a more sustainable path, embracing plant-based eating. Here are 5 tips for environmental sustainability through plant-based eating. 1. Embrace plant diversity. I invite you to enjoy the wide array of fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. By diversifying your plant-based meals, you actively support sustainable farming practices and help protect the rich biodiversity of our planet. 2. Reduce food waste. I invite you to mindfully plan your meals, get creative with leftovers, and compost food scraps. These steps will reduce the strain on landfills and preserve valuable resources. Choose locally sourced foods. Supporting local farmers is a win-win for both you and the planet. By opting for locally sourced seasonal produce, you strengthen communities and minimize transportation-related emissions. Opt for sustainable proteins. There are currently an almost infinite number of plant-based proteins to choose from. So swap out animal-based proteins and see what you can make from legumes, beans, seeds, nuts, and more. Not only are they healthier for you, but they also leave a much lighter ecological footprint. 5. Educate and inspire others. Let's be the change we wish to see. Share your plant-based meals and snacks with others. Raise awareness about the benefits of sustainable eating, and inspire your friends and family to join this empowering movement which is healthy for them and our planet. By choosing a plant-based lifestyle, we can make a profound impact on the environment and create a brighter future for generations to come. Let's be conscious consumers, nourishing our bodies and our planet with every delicious plant-based bite. Join me on this exciting adventure of environmental sustainability through plant-based eating. And for more inspiration, check out this video.